Here I have ALCATEL Pop S3, and let me show you how to enable backup data on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using your home screen. Tap apps icon right here. Then let's find and select the settings. So here I have the settings right here. From the list of settings you have to scroll down and choose backup and reset. Now let's make sure that you have enabled backup my data right here. This is enabled Google backup. Now you need to set the backup account. So let's tap on backup account. If you have added some Google accounts, you can use them. If not, let's choose add account. So you can use the existing Google account or the new one. In my case, let me use the existing one. Now let's enter the email. Alright. Now if you are ready, let's enter the password. Let me do it. Alright, let's choose next right here. Tab OK to terms of service and privacy policy. The device is signing in. Let's wait a few seconds. Here you have to decide either you would like to automatically backup device data. Let me leave it enabled. Tap next again. And that's it. You just enable backup my data and add necessary backup account. So everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.